guys, my name is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I want to create a Diwali look inspired by diyas or oil lit candles that we light during this time. And the pattern on these candles are always very colorful and pigmented, so I wanted to make sure my eye look was colorful and pigmented as well. If you guys want to watch me create this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start with prepping my face. First, I'm going to take some rose oil and put that into my face. I'm doing this so that when the foundation goes on, I'll have a little bit of glow behind the foundation. And I take extra and put out my neck and hands. Next, I'm taking my cocoa butter and I'm going to moisturize my lips. Then we're going to go ahead and use our primer. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish More Than Primer. And I'm putting it on my eyes as well. I'm going right into my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in Dewy and Smooth. I've been using this one a lot more than my matte and poreless because I like the finishing on my skin with this. And using my makeup sponge. Once I have my foundation on, I'm going to go right into the eyeshadows. So for this look, I'm using the Huda Beauty Nudes palette. I'm going to start with this color. It's called Lace, using a fluffy brush. I'm going to take that onto my brush, place that on my lid. I'm going to start in my crease. And basically the second half of my eye. This color is going to be our transition shade. I'm using windshield wiper motions in my crease and swirling motions in my second half of my eye. And I'm building up this color. Then I'm taking the color Tease. This is shades a little bit darker and it's going to deepen up our look. I'm using the same brush to do that. I'm placing this in my outer corner and crease. Take my sponge and start blending. Now is the time to also clean up the eyeshadow if it got too messy around the edges. And I've already done my eyebrows. I'm going into my Parkave Princess palette. Take a big brush like this. And I'm going into the color Angle. I'm going to contour my face and on my forehead. Around my jaw. I'm going to take a brush like this and place it at an angle and also contour my nose. Now I'm taking my Kat Von D translucent powder, taking my sponge, and I'm going to place it under my eyes so that my concealer doesn't crease. I'm not baking, I'm just simply placing it under my eyes and blending it in as I go. I'm going to use my Tarte blush in Partay and place it in the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going into my MAC highlighter in Beaming Blush. Swirl it around. I don't know if you guys can see the glow. I'm also going to put it on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, right above my lips. Then take a tiny dome-shaped brush and go into the highlighter and place it in your inner corners. Before I do my lipstick, I'm going to quickly finish the rest of my eye. So I'm going to take my Kat Von D eyeliner and line my eyes. So now that I have that, I'm just going to smoke out the ends by taking that color Tease and placing it on my lower lash. So today I'm actually going to use false lashes. I'm going to attempt to put them on because I'm not really good at putting them on, which is why I never use them.
Okay, so this is one eye with and one eye without.
Now I'm just taking this mascara to blend in my real lashes with the fake lashes. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil that I'm using on my lower lash line. As for lips, I'm using this color by MAC. It's called Aim to Please. It's their VELVETEASE lip pencil. I did use false lashes, which I applied off camera because it was really hard for me to apply them. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a very happy Diwali and holiday season, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!